folks, it's been a while since I've uploaded again. Today we're going to be working on the HZ I've sort of done a bit off camera already, but yeah, check it out. I'll flick you over. Rightio, the inlet manifold is off. I think I took that off in the last video. I can't remember because I donated it to another engine. It's taken me a while to find a decent OEM manifold, but you know, there it is there. It's got the little doover in the bottom. Yeah, that's alright. I've got all the other bits. I just wanted to put it more back to original than an Edelbrock one. Basically put the carby back on, and whatever else I need to do. So let's see how we go. Like I think earlier in the video you will see that I lost a spanner or actually a ratchet. Couldn't find it. I ended up finding it. It wasn't in the engine where I thought it was. It was in my toolbox that I didn't look in, did I? But here it is. I'm going to get into it. Talk to you in a minute. Well, if you were wondering what I was doing, I basically had to put some spaces in between the new bolts because my old bolts were too long. So I thought, oh, I'll go and get some new ones off the internet, to suit this particular manifold, and these bolts were still too long, so I just ended up using some Milodon head washers, and it's not original, but it does the job. I didn't really feel like cutting down the bolts to make them fit, but anyway, you know, that's how they're supposed to look like. That's how these ones look like. From afar, not too bad. Boring stuff. Just putting a bit of goop on my thermostat housing. Don't need a lot, just a little bit. A little bit down here, just a little bit. Not truckloads. Truckloads would be good, but I don't want that shit everywhere. Like it likes to get everywhere anyway. Put a bit of a film over that. Beautiful. Wipe it on my jeans, because I can't keep good clothes. And bam, done. Just joking. Need a gasket first. And other things. And more things. And more things as well. There we go. Get it in there. Hey, that's the go, isn't it? That's where all your 10mm sockets go. In my case, 7/16, half inch, 9/16. Do the math. They all disappear. One you use the most is the one that disappears the most. Oh, I don't like to feel that. I'll have to run a tap through that. It's a bit fucking tight. Don't like it when it's that tight. It's not good. I might find a short bolt just for that for now. It's just, oof. Not good. Hey folks, just got some bits from up top shed out of the old manifold that I had originally planned for this engine, and basically got the exhaust exchange, heat, whatever it fucking is, the bolts, yeah, all the tubes. Yeah, well, there's not going to be much exciting here except for just me bolting a whole heap of stuff together, and I'll just do it like a time delay. Enjoy. Alright, so basically now I've got the carby on all bar about the bolts at the back. I've got to find a couple of fine threaded nuts for that. Fix some vacuum lines. yeah, and just go and finish bolting on the coil and the distributor, and I've still got to hook on fuel lines, fuel pump, all that crap. But the reason the fuel pump is off it is because I ended up finding an original one that I've still got to probably clean up and put a kit through, and hopefully that will work. Rightio folks, this will conclude this part of the video. I basically have got 90% of the engine back together. I've got to go clean the fuel pump, got to finish up the fuel lines, a couple of little nuts and bolts here or there. I've got some coolant in it already. Yeah, so I don't know, it's going to be, I think it's going to be pretty good to have it going again. Yeah, like it's probably been what? Yeah, like I said before, about 8 months, 7 or 8 months now since she's ran. But yeah, hopefully in the next video, well, definitely in the next video, this will be running. Catch you next time.